So cryptocurrencies, or in this case, let's start with one with the biggest market share, Bitcoin, where retail traders are holding an extreme long buys of 84%. Now, it's not just Bitcoin, however. If we take a look at the other smaller cryptocurrencies or the other crypto majors, you can see that they're also holding an extreme long buys. In fact, greater than that of Bitcoin, ethereum, or in the case of, take a look at Ripple, 98%. You got Stellar at 95%. These are staggeringly high numbers and pretty high compared to traditional asset classes. So hold on for dear life is clearly at play over here. However, if we go back to Bitcoin and we try and map this sentiment onto a price chart, we'll pull up a daily chart and you can see that blue dotted line will measure for percentage long for retail traders, and green dotted line is the percentage long for COT, larger speculative traders, according to the latest Commitment of Traders report that was released last Friday. And you can see that there's this very clear divide, consistent. Institutional traders, they're holding a majority short, around 58-59% throughout this entire period. And when it comes to retail traders, they're holding a consistent sort of 80-ish%, 80 to 84% extreme long bias. Even though we had that price surge late October, didn't do much, didn't dent sentiment that much. A part of that has to do with the fact that a lot of these longs have been initiated at higher price levels and are in need of a retracement, further move back up in order to undo those longs in profit.